Hi guys, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to use my product Hexagon Facebook cover collages. So the first thing after receiving files is to open a PDF help file and to see previews of collages which are on 4th and 5th page. Name of action which you need to run in order to create particular collage is on the left or right side of preview. So once you decide which layout you want to create, load Hexagon cover ATN file. You can do that from Photoshop. The first task is to display actions panel and then go from file, open and double click on ATN file. That will load actions in Photoshop. To run action and to create layout, click on action name, then click on place selection button. Photoshop will quickly create layout and will display message which informs you what are next steps. Basically, actions will help you to populate template with images in counterclockwise order, starting with top left image. Click continue and then navigate to folder with images which you want to use. Double click on image and that will place image in Photoshop. Press Ctrl or Command 0 if you don't see handles to scale image. You can also move, rotate it. I will press Ctrl++ to enlarge view. And lastly, confirm. Photoshop will continue opening replace file dialogs to select images which you want to use for your collage. Another way of scaling image is to use options bar. Confirm and continue placing images. After placing images, you can use action place image in center, which refers to this hexagon, to place your logo. So run action and navigate to logo. To replace already placed images, you can use actions from the bottom. First, select layer with image which you want to replace. Select that layer in layers panel and then take a look at the name of layer. Particularly, take a look at number. Then play corresponding action from actions panel. So in this case, it is image 1 and I will run replace image 1 action. So thanks for watching and cheers. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me or to leave comments on YouTube. If you are watching video on YouTube, you will find link in description section to open page from where you can buy this product.